Welcome to the new segment of the grade 7th. We are discussing third chapter, how the state government works from a civics. So various departments, we are discussing how the government works. Yesterday we have started this working of the government, new topic. So here, as per here one small newspaper cutting they are given, that is, a government smells the garbage, chief ministers promises fund of for work. Yes, about during the last few weeks, the above has been the many deaths, the some districts of our state. There has been strong reactions of the government not taken the any seriously. So the health ministers explained today in a press conference. So about the press conference we are discussed. This is small note regarding about a minister of health or a health department. So different ministers, they are the working development of their particular departments. Here they are given some examples: public works department, the agriculture department, the health department, the education department. So they all having some their particular responsibilities. They are having a more responsibility regarding about their departments. So in the legislative assembly, when they are asking in a debate or in a press conference, the people as well as these media, they will ask questions about their department, and what the answers it will be given by that particular minister, they will print in a newspaper and they will telecast in a channels. The government can also decide to make a new laws for the state regarding sanitation, health facilities. For example, they are made a compulsory for the municipal corporation that the toilets in every urban areas, in the surrounding areas, about the health workers, the appointing in every villages, and the act of the making a laws of the certain issues to done in the legislative assembly of each state. The various government department, then the implementation these law and the laws for the entire country are made in the parliament. Yes, so regarding about the parliament, we'll read in a 8th standard. In a democracy, the people who they are electing as a representative the behalf of them, that is a member of the legislatives, MLAs, and these people, they are having the main authority of the ruling party members. They are making a government and member are appointing ministers. These ministers, they are having different various departments in a government, and some examples also we are read: health, education, agriculture. So these are the department they are making in a approved by the numbers of legislative assembly. So for the reference, you can refer 7th grade textbook. Tomorrow we are continuing the new topic of the same chapter. Thank you.